Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel review box. Last video we have seen the masala grinding. Okay, so I hope you would have liked it. Actually, please do support my channel. Please click on the like button after watching the video, and please do subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more new videos for you. Okay, so today we are going to see the as I promised, today we are going to see the uh, juicer jar. Like I said, all the 4 jars will do the testing. Okay, this is the juicer jar. Okay, so today I'm going to do some testing for apple milkshake. Okay, first you can see the plastic quality. This is all plastic. This is a very hard plastic. Knob is very good, hard. Okay, very good one. See the blade inside. Okay, why I'm showing you all these things again and again, because you will have better idea about this product actually. So perfectly the proper review and testing of this product actually. Okay, the value for money or not. Okay, so this is the apple I cut into pieces. This is the 2 apple. Okay, I cut into pieces. I'm going to put it inside. Okay, okay, and I'll add 1 glass of milk. Hey guys, there is a problem actually. You can see that there is a leakage. So I have to return this, okay, and get it replace the jar, because the motor is very good. This is unit is very good. So this jar is not good actually. I cannot do this juicing actually. Okay guys, I am going to transfer this into this liquidized jar. Okay, and then I will try to do the, you can see this, there is a leakage is there here. So this quality is not good. So because this is the way they are doing the cost cutting actually, to give the cheaper product actually. Unit is good, luckily, because there is no problem with the motor, and it's grinding faster. I hope there will not be any problem in future also, because 2 years warranty is given. Okay, so let's see actually. So this is I'm using the liquidized jar to do the milkshake. Let's see how is grinding. So let's see. I'll take it, put on screen any. So it's done actually. It took hardly 30 seconds to. I'm just checking actually any lumps is there, anything is there. No. I think I need to grind it a little bit, because there is some pieces there. I have to grind it a little bit more sometime. So I'll put it in a glass and I'll show you a glass. I see still there is some pieces is there. So sorry about that, guys. Actually, so we once I replace this, whether how long will taking and how is the service and everything, I will be giving you the feedback for this juicer jar, how long it taking to replace this and how is the customer service, everything about this, everything I'll show you. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Please do support this channel, so you will have a very honest, genuine review of this product actually. So that's the reason actually I'm taking the video. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please do click on the click the like button if you like this video. Thank you so much.